discussing about alcohol production, and we have seen that wines and beers are the type of alcoholic beverages which are used in production of, which are the result of production of alcohol. Now we will see what is the preparation. How can we go for alcohol fermentation? Very first is inoculum media. Inoculum media or inoculum medium. What we add when we are doing alcohol fermentation at laboratory scale. Okay. So first of all, we will have addition of jaggery. Okay, that will be in the less amount. That will be 5%. Then yeast extract is added. And potassium dihydrogen phosphate is added. Distilled water. These are all ingredients for preparation of inoculum medium. The pH of this inoculum medium is usually 4.5, that is too acidic side, and this pH is adjusted by using lactic acid. By using lactic acid, we can adjust the pH of the media to 4.5. Now, after doing this much work, we need to autoclave it, and autoclave of these media should be done at lower pressure, that is 10 pound pressure for less amount of time. Okay. So this particular media is then after autoclave, and autoclaving is to be done at 10 pound pressure for 25 minutes. Okay, or you can also go for 20 minutes, there is no problem. Okay, usually it is 20 minutes. Instead of going for 15 pounds, this is to be done at lower pressure. What is the reason for lower pressure? Okay, this is called steam pressure. Why we are doing so? Because this is the material which contains carbohydrates. Okay, and carbohydrates will become brown in color when they are extremely heated under pressure. Okay, so that will not happen. Otherwise, the composition of jaggery will be changed, and it will give a different type of end product. So that is to be done, that at low pressure of steam, the inoculum medium is autoclaved. Now then, after production medium, for alcohol production, in case of production medium, jaggery is added in more amount. Jaggery is added in more amount, that is 25%. Then yeast extract, potassium hydrogen phosphate, distilled water, and pH will be accordingly. Yeast extract is taken in 5 grams quantity. Then KH2PO4 1.5 gram. Distilled water 1000 ml. And pH will be 4.4. Here also you can notice that it is acidic pH. Okay, because these yeasts are unicellular fungi, they require acidic environment for their growth. Now, after preparation of this medium, it is to be autoclaved properly. Okay, so autoclaving is done at 10 pound pressure for 20 minutes. Okay, 10 pound pressure for 20 minutes. So this is the preparation of our practical, how we are going to prepare the different media. Now we will see that what is to be done when we are actually starting the practical. There are some components of practical. I will give the name to these components. Whenever we are starting, very first thing is we are first of all going for addition of inoculum. Okay. Then after we go for checking of pH, checking of purity of culture, and then after we are also performing gram staining. Then we are performing also gram staining. Okay. Now these three components are to be repeated for 3 to 4 days. Okay. Now why we do this? We just want to understand, or we just want to know that whether our fermentation is doing any progress or not. Okay. Whether the yeast cells are growing or not. Whether the you can say consumption of sugar is continuous or not. So for that purpose we are doing any method to estimate the sugar, that is Coles method. Any other method for sugar estimation can also be done here, but here we are concentrating on Coles method because you have done previously in your first year class. Okay. So first of all we will go for pH checking. Okay. One slide will give us the purity checking, and then after gram staining will also be done, and then Coles method is to be done by withdrawing the material in particular fixed quantity, that is 20 ml. Okay. So this is the actual components which we are going to do for 3 days. Okay. Fine. Now we go for protocol. So we will discuss today first day protocol. So what is to be done on first day? Here this is protocol. So now we will switch over to the different steps. Very firstly, we are taking fresh 24-hour grown young yeast culture. Okay, which we call by the name inoculum. Which is called by the name inoculum. Okay. Then after from this particular culture, we first of all do gram staining. Now gram staining is to be done for checking of purity of culture. There should not be any contamination before we start the practical. So first of all we will confirm that these are yeast cells only and there is not a single cell which is contamination. Now after that we collect 40 ml of inocula. Okay. In 500 ml of production medium. In 500 ml of production medium. Okay. Now after doing so, we will now collect 20 ml of broth from our brown bottle of production medium, and then after we go for checking of pH. Then we will also make a slide to check the presence of organisms and purity, and then after we will go for Coles method. Then we will go for Coles method. Okay. So this is the protocol for the first day. Okay. So during first day we are proceeding with this much of sugar. Okay. you know that how pulse method is done. Before we start pulse method, there should be some pre-treatment given to the fermentation zone. Okay, so that we will discuss in the next episode. Okay, thank you.